The Russian Ministry of Defense is reportedly coercing convicts to join the Russian army by threatening them with being incarcerated alongside men who are available to be raped, regarded as untouchables in Russian prison culture. Russia's prisons operate a brutal caste system based on a sexual hierarchy, where some prisoners are treated as available to be raped by anyone. These men are known as the cocks, offended, lowered, forced, or crests, and are made to sleep next to the toilets. Importantly, cock status is treated as being contagious. They are literally untouchable. Interacting with cocks, sharing their food, touching them or their possessions, unless you are raping them, is regarded as being enough to make you a cock as well. The Wagner Group's head, Yevgeny Prigozhin, a former convict himself, has explained this distinction and established a separate cock division within Wagner for convicts who can't interact with other convicts. However, according to the VCEK OGPU Telegram channel, the Russian Ministry of Defense is exploiting this untouchability to force non-cock prisoners to sign up for military service. The channel explains, first, the inmates are persuaded by ex-convicts who allegedly survived the war, and then they are threatened, even to the point of joining detachments with the offended. According to our source, a certain brigade is touring in various Russian prison colonies, the members of which are represented as prisoners who were allegedly recruited into the Wagner PMC, went through the war and were released. The Zeks describe how long they had to serve in prison, but thanks to the war they are already free and have money. After this, the convicts are offered not to sign up in the Wagner PMC, but as contract employees of the Ministry of Defense. However, according to the source, there are very few people willing to volunteer, since everyone knows that it is virtually impossible to return from the war. The administrative resource is used to its maximum capacity. For example, in Tula Region's penal colony number 1, the prisoners are strongly advised to go to war, fearing that they will soon begin to turn up the regime there, and it will finally be red or become a strict regime, with far tougher conditions. At the same time, ordinary prisoners are allegedly being forcibly mixed in with the offended, who are now being held separately. They threaten in the colony that those who want to avoid this need to sign contracts with the Ministry of Defense. This follows earlier reports that Wagner has been barred from recruiting prisoners, which was in any case resulting in far fewer volunteers due to news of their catastrophic losses reaching Russia's prisons. The Russian Ministry of Defense has reportedly sought to create penal battalions for prisoners, but with voluntary enlistment. It's likely that the results have been disappointing, leading to a change to a more coercive approach.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.